High in the Peruvian Andes, communities here keep horses and herds of sheep, llamas, and alpacas. Today, we're going to climb to about 5,000 meters, almost 16,000 feet. Keep your breaths slow and steady. At this altitude, oxygen is thin. Deep in through the nose, slowly out through the mouth. Take a break if you need to. Then keep climbing. We've reached the famous Rainbow Mountain. Our destination lies over its right flank, the looming red peaks. Keep moving and focus on your breath. You're working against the elevation and the cold wind on your face. Red Valley, a landscape painted by chemistry and time. These reds are iron oxides, stone that's rusted from within. Where water lingers and wind softens, green moss hangs on. Almost nothing else grows at this altitude. Let your shoulders drop. Let your jaw unclench. Stay with the view. You've worked hard to get here. Take a moment to appreciate the stillness. Breathe deep but easy. Notice the wind and the shadows sliding over the slopes. Time to make our way back down. What will you take away from this journey? Thanks for taking this time. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and subscribing. More immersive experiences from Peru and around the world are on the way.